In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Asana and Notion. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, Asana and Notion are two powerful tools that enhance productivity in personal and professional settings. Asana is excellent for task management, providing a structured way to oversee projects, while Notion provides a flexible environment for organizing notes, databases, tasks, and more. Integrating these platforms can streamline your workflow by reducing the need to manually update information across both applications. To begin this integration process, you'll first need to navigate to the settings within your Notion or Asana account. It's typically represented by a gear icon located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will open a menu or a new page with various options and preferences for your account. Once you're in the settings area, look for the option labeled Connections or Integrations. This section is where you manage all connections between your current platform and other apps and services. It's designed to help you seamlessly combine the functionalities of different software applications to enhance your workflow. Next, you'll want to use the search function within the Connections or Integrations menu. Type in the keyword Asana. This search action will display available integrations related to Asana. It's worth noting here that having Asana set up properly beforehand helps ensure a smooth integration. Make sure that your Asana account is active and that you have the necessary permissions to enable third-party integrations. As the search results populate, locate the option to integrate Asana with your current platform. Once found, click on the Integrate or Connect button next to Asana. This action should initiate the integration process. Depending on your settings, you might be prompted to confirm the integration and authorize access between Asana and Notion. This might include logging in and granting permission to link both accounts, so have your login details ready. When the integration is set up, it's a great idea to test it by creating a simple task or entry in one platform and check if it reflects in the other. This will confirm that the integration is working correctly and data is being shared between Asana and Notion as expected. Regularly checking and updating permissions also ensures that future updates to either platform won't disrupt your workflow. And there you have it. Integrating Asana and Notion is a straightforward process that can make your task management and project tracking far more efficient. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your productivity tools.